Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. And today I'm bringing you another video on the revolutionary GNET DFORCE S1 4-channel dash camera. Now, why is this camera revolutionary? It is because it holds basically the holy grail of dash camera features, which is 4 cameras, a front, a left, a right, and a rear. A 12.3-inch digital LCD touchscreen high resolution, which displays all 4 cameras, and the ability, obviously, because it's a dash camera, to record all 4 cameras. Now, I'm going to start this video out by letting you watch the promotional video from GNET, which I'm going to narrate through to give you an idea of what features come with the camera as per the video. And then I'm going to show you a video of an install we just completed on a 2021 Ford F-250. So you can see this camera installed in real life in Canada on an actual pickup truck, so that you or someone you know, if they have a vehicle like this Ford F-250, can get an idea of why the GNET DFORCE S1 is probably one of, if not the best dash camera for you to add to your commercial vehicle or car, truck, or RV for that matter. So without further ado, let's get this video started. What you're video, Sony Starvis image processor with the DFORCE S1. There's the 12.3-inch touchscreen, front camera, external camera for the rear. You got your left and your right side cameras. This is your main brain that holds the memory cards. For box trucks, RVs, buses, dump trucks, you name it, it's capable of being installed on it. There's your side view cameras, rear camera. Here's your display screen. And when you see my F-250 video, you're going to see we did an install very similar to this. Obviously, this video is from Korea, where GNET is based, but it gives you the same concept of what you could do here in North America. You see the display screens mounted on the dash, which is awesome because you actually can combine the best of both worlds, the safety cameras and recording, which is amazing. You can see it's got turn signal switching. I don't know if you can hear the background music. I don't think you can. In my previous video, you couldn't, but it's basically playing background music here. You can see it's got a very responsive touchscreen, so you can interact with the camera. The cameras are all waterproof. The exterior cameras, IP69K rating. Sony Starvis image processor, as I said. You can see the HDR quality. Great night vision. Great clarity, so you can pick up license plates. It's even got forward collision warning. And one of the other things I want to talk about that it has, it's got essentially not only the vehicle safety features, but it's got Wi-Fi, so you can download the footage on your phone. It's got available, that's the Wi-Fi dongle. It's got available 4G LTE connections, so that you can have ThinkWare Cloud. Sorry, not ThinkWare Cloud, GNET Cloud services, so you'll be able to watch the footage remotely. That is coming to North America very soon, but currently the camera is shipping with Wi-Fi access. So if you have a smartphone, you can pair to it. You can see the video footage as you're watching here in the video. So fantastic product. Now let me show you our actual install. So this is, as I said, a 2021 Ford F-250. My installer, Brian, completed this install. He's got the right-hand camera there, right under the mirror. He's pointing out there. He's now going to show you the left-hand camera there. Here's the front camera on the front window, and in a moment, he'll show you the rear camera. He'll get out of the truck and he'll show you. I'm going to unmute this video. You're going to see he's got the turn signal switching left, right. Camera image automatically switches. Going to put the vehicle in reverse. Let me just pause this for 1 second. So why is this so important? Well, check this out. If you have a backup camera, if this driver of this vehicle was reversing the truck and he actually reversed into something or got into an accident, normally with a normal backup camera, you're not recording that video. With the GNET DFORCE S1, you are. Not only are you recording it, but you're capable of recording up to 512 gigs of video on a micro SD card. If you need more than that, you can go all the way up to 2 terabytes using the SSD accessory adapter. You have to purchase that separately. That doesn't come with the camera, but there is an SSD adapter that allows you to pair a solid state drive up to 2 terabytes in size to this product. So you could literally get weeks, if not months, of video recording using this dash camera. I'm just going to finish off the video that my installer made. Just put it back into park. Soon he's going to hop out and show you the backup camera. You can see he's interacting with the screen. You can see it's recording. You can do the split screen, or you can have one camera image on the entire screen. Completely up to you. So again, there's no other camera on the market that we're aware of that does what this camera does. We do carry the GNET GT900, which is this camera's predecessor, but the GT900 did not offer the 12.3-inch LCD screen. What he's showing you here, what Brian is showing you, is the control box mounted in the glove box of the vehicle. Very easily and centrally located. That's where you would pick up the SD card, as well as turning the actual camera on or off if you wanted to turn it off of parking mode. Now he's going to get out and he's going to show you the rear camera. Basically tucked up there. That's not our wiring for the rear camera. That's additional wiring, but you can see the camera is securely mounted and it's safely out of the way. And that concludes that video there. Now, what I also want to show you is essentially on our website where you can buy the camera. So currently right now, the DFORCE S1 is $1549.99. That price is subject to change. It could go up, it could go down, depending on when you're watching this video. I'm recording this on June 1st, 2024. So obviously this price may be subject to change if you're watching this down the road, a year or two, whenever you're watching it. You are able to purchase this and install it with us here at Lockdown Security, but we do ship worldwide. So if you wanted to buy this and install it yourself, we totally are okay with that. We can ship it to you. We also have 2 different versions of the DFORCE S1. We have the DFORCE S1 truck, which is $1,549.99 Canadian. And then we have the GNET DFORCE S1 van. So technically, these are the exact same camera systems, the difference being the cameras. The DFORCE S1 van comes with lighter duty, smaller cameras, specifically for the side. The front and the rear cameras are designed to be mounted internally inside the vehicle, whereas with the DFORCE S1 truck, the side cameras and the rear camera are meant to be mounted externally. They're weatherproof. Only the side cameras with the DFORCE S1 van are weatherproof. The other 2 cameras are designed to be mounted, as mentioned, on the interior of the vehicle. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. We will make more videos as we do more installs on these, showing you exactly what you can do. As mentioned, this particular video focused on a 2021 Ford F-250. That's what we put the DFORCE S1 truck into, and it fit great. So we hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. If you are looking to order this camera, 1-866-824-4118, or visit us on the web, lockdownsecurity.ca. You can also email us, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca. And please don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.